Hadian makaklam jingpang COVID-19 kalahiar baduna baha po ke jela ka sorkar jela mentaka kenti kala syam ya kesin jam ban pynjynsur no ya ka jingpyrkhing jongki kyndon bat kibril kibla deb ban aitika kila ban wan rung syapo ke jela bat kyndon kamshu ban le ya ka test RT-PCR habaya keren bakilat pathai khubor u konrad ke sangma ula pentep babaro ki skul kin play no na duka sngining kong bat ya ka curfew meet ka sorkar kala syam ya ka rai ban weng no kat bay ka odd but even kan nang yai beteng bat kini baro kan sedang mentrai kam na duka sngi thoding.
Number one, that those who are double vaccinated will not require the RT-PCR test anymore. So if you're double vaccinated, you can enter the state. So we'll be lifting the condition of testing for double vaccinated individuals. Number two, night curfew will be lifted. Number three, schools will be fully functional from Monday onwards. That is class 1 to 5 in Shillong especially. Number six, this is already in fact has been decided, but I just want to reiterate that for funerals, no permissions will be required, but COVID protocols need to be followed, and obviously there has to be restrictions on the number of people. For large gatherings and public meetings and weddings, we have so basically permissions are being granted for this also. It was done a few weeks back. I'm just reiterating it, that all of these will be allowed, and only permission from the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO will be required, and even the numbers will be decided by the Deputy Commissioner and the SDO based on the venue where the programs will take place. This also includes processions as well. We also like to reiterate that in bars, restaurants and movie theaters, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong. So from 11th of February, all these decisions will be effective from Friday onwards. Number one, we have seen that the numbers are going down in terms of the positive cases. We have seen also that the people affected by COVID and the number of deaths that have taken place, though every life is precious, but we've seen that the impact of this wave has not been so much in terms of the number of lives we have lost. Number three, we have also seen that the lives that we have lost are not directly COVID related, though they were COVID positive, but they had other serious conditions. So therefore, keeping all of these factors in mind, we are seeing a trend, and this is based on facts and figures. We are seeing a trend where the numbers are reducing, the positivity rate is going down, the number of deaths is far lesser than what it was earlier. And therefore, while we always try to balance between the safety and health of the people and the economic conditions, activities, we strongly feel that normalcy must return. So therefore, we can't let our guards down fully, but we will take precaution. But I think we need to ease the overall restrictions so that normalcy can return to the state. But I still urge our citizens that we must continue to follow the protocols, and we must always keep ourselves safe. But we are hopeful, and we hope that we will see things improve in the future also, but one has to be careful still, and we cannot take things like it.